out. I'm gonna get like 1, 2. Think I lied. Tom, can you hear me or no? Down. This.
Yo, Gibson.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, you not banned.
Wait, don't jump. Alright, we're going straight to storage down. What? Going back, so we're going straight to storage down. We're talking about storage down, Sergeant. You gotta move over there, sir. Man, fuck, you trying to kill me, boy? Funny. Hey, where are you? Storage down, bro. Oh, you still up there? I'm here. I'm here, Tom. Trying to go and find some guns. I'm trying to find some guns and then, you know. Enemy coming in. I can hear it in the sky right now. Yep. Enemy is in the area, I promise you. Why I cannot see clear, bro? Chat, help me out. I cannot see clear. Some stone? Did I stone too much or I'm just drunk, bro? Help me out, chat. Hey, Tom, there's guns over here. Good guns. I'm talking about killer. Damn, there's a bonger over here, Dom. Do you know about this? Come over here. Do you see that door? Oh, look at this door, bro. You cannot even go inside. Bro, chill out trying to be a killer, bro. You know niggas in Ukraine is running away, right? So... You better chill out, bro. Come on now. I got your sakes. Don't shoot my sakes, okay? Let's go over this, Dom. Let's go. Moving. Yellow spot on the clock. 752 got it moving in. Hey, Chad, this is my friend Tom, man. It's a killer right here, good. Alright, let's go. Let's go loot up there and then buy our loadie. Damn, bro, we ain't gonna find shit. Where the fuck is all the box, bro? Oh, somebody's here. I'm talking about right next to us, bro. Oh, that's a decoy. That's our decoy. Hey, you gotta let me know if you drop a decoy, cause when I'm your teammate, Dom, I cannot hear that shit like as a friendly fire. I hear it as an enemy. I'd be like, hey, bro, I just trouble, you know. Hey, we need 900 more. 900, that's it. I'm at the tunnel running around. I think I got some. And then some. And then we got it. Oh, no, a little bit more. We're talking about 650. Alright. Alright, we got it. Drop your money at the buy station, please. The same buy station where we came from. Left side, Dom. Let me have your money right here. Come on, Tom, we got UAV on us, so we're exposed. Right now. Right now we're exposed. They can see us, okay? I need that money that you got. Let's go up there. Over here, Tom. Tom. Ooh. Let's get wait for you, Dom. No, Dom, don't go over there, bro. Not there. Oh my. Alright, fuck it. Let's go. Let's go. You're there already. Fuck it. There's people there. That's why I don't want to go over there, okay? Look. Look. They're right there. You're down one. You kill one. Come. Push to the buy station. Let's buy our loadout, please. Let's buy our loadout so we can fight good. Chopper coming in. I need your money, Dom. My voice is too loud, Dom? Or what? Dom, do you mute me, bro? What the hell? Oh shit, somebody shot me. I choose the wrong loadie. Somebody shot me. Watch out, watch out. I'm going for the real loadout.
Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe zone.
I got two loadout over here, Dom. Two. Dom, I need you. I heard movement. They here. Slow down. Right there, Dom. Fuck! Swear to God, I died. Dom, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You talk, I see your mic talking, but I cannot hear you. That's fucked up. I cannot hear you, Dom. Like, what the fuck going on? Why I cannot hear him? Dom.
Earn redeployment or die trying.
Dom. Tom. Oh. Tom, I cannot hear you, but I see you talking. It's alright. Oh, you win too? Bro, we do that shit. Put my height over here and wait for the freeloading. Hey, what about police station, bro? What about police station?
At a BOIIS station.
Oh shit, Tom, you crazy. That's a no man's land. Damn, motherfucker, I'm over here. Oh, motherfucker, I'm over here for real. Amazing grace, we fall. No more lurking. Oh my God, please have mercy, bro. This motherfucker don't see me. My boy just run past me. They don't see shit. They blind, cool. Hey, come closer to me so the loadout can land it on us, please. Oh no, get out of that! Get the. Whoa. You gonna die, I promise you. You gonna get killed so bad. They're following. Yo, please. No, I'm sorry, Dom. You're gonna be dead. Just like that. You don't, Dom, you don't get on a bike when you don't have your loadie, bro. They're gonna, they're gonna kill you, bro. I promise you. Now you got me fucked up. It's okay, Dom. That's why we're a team, right?
Safe zone located. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been
Ah, fuck you. Leave, Dom. Dom, promote me. Where the fuck is my friend, bro? What's up?
Look, why you didn't talk the whole match?
Bro, I have to keep talking. I think it doesn't work no more. Like, you gotta be
You think
not jet
you think they caught on?
I think they just make you not talking while you chat, Ben.
Well, disconnect from this and just go back to the regular chat lobby then.
Alright.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me
Gonna
now?
shine when she gone. Hey, put researching quads, bro. Yeah, if you heard this African song, some good ass shit. Amazing, yeah. Kawalan kiyom.
Sure.
Freaky.
presents Painful Thoughts. 20 more minutes to get out of pharmacy before my prescription is ready. Maybe I'll grab some deeply discounted out-of-season Halloween candy. I've never had a chocolate pumpkin with raisins before. Those were raisins, right? Next time, use Amazon Pharmacy. We deliver. And no, those were not raisins. Amazon Pharmacy. Healthcare just got less painful.
The crispy strips are now at McDonald's. Tender, juicy, and its own sauce. Would you look at that? Well, you can't see it, but trust me, it looks delicious. New crispy strips, now at McDonald's.